JR. JR. Gordo. Come here, bad boy. Look at all the birds. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. See them?
Flying.
They're flying now. What is it?
Fly.
Oh, it's a flying. It's a bird.
Fly.
It's a fly?
Yep.
Yep. And what's Juno doing? Juno. What happened? You got it again. You did. You farted. Juno farted?
Bird. Bird.
There's a bird. Where's the bird?
Fly.
Huh? Where's the bird? Oh, give me a hug, Papa. Juno. Give me a huggy. There's a bird.
Fly. Fly.
Hey, who loves you? Who loves you? Is Daddy? What happened? Got dirt in your face? Huh?
Daddy.
What happened?
Daddy.
Yes, sir.
Daddy.
I love you, son. Gordo. Hey. I love you. Son. I love you. I love you. I love you. Son. Gordo. I love you. Hey. Look at me. I'm talking to you, Panchon. I'm talking to you, Panchones. Oh my God, you're shaking it? Let me see. Come here. Let me see. Got dirt on your face. Look at you pull that dirt, Gordo. Come on. Let's get this dirt off you. Stand up. Stand up. Let's clean you off. You made boo-boo? You made pee-pee today? You haven't got pee-pee? No, why not?
Daddy.
Yes, sir. I love you.
Daddy.
I love you.
Daddy.
I love you, son. I love you. Gordo, I told you I love you. Gordo, I love you. I'm talking to you. Shake it, shake it. What are you doing, Badjo? Come here, Badjo. Oh, you fat piggy. Oh, come on, you fat piggy. Oh, you fat piggy. You fat piggy. You fat piggy. Come on, you fat piggy. Say hi to camera, Jimmy. Say hi to camera. You Panchon, you do, you Panchon. Yeah, Chanyo Panchon, you Chanyo. Oh, no, Baba, no, Baba, no. No, 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 no. Go get the ball. Okay, son, what are you doing? I want to play with you. Thank you. Love you. I love you. Son, I said I love you. Oh, son. What are you doing? You're getting out full of dirt, dude. What are you going to do now? Huh? Gordo. Gordito. Gustavo Isai. What's your name?
Gustavo.
Gustavo what? Valela?
Tomorrow not yet. Tomorrow we're going to Cruces, but when we come back, you can come and see him.
Okay, yeah, I have the car running, so.
My mom's gonna get me a tablet and some more shirts for work.
I have a tablet. I have a notebook. I was asking, do you need one?
My mom's getting me one through like our phone plan. Through the Verizon thing.
No, I gotta go apply for school too. Is it okay if I go to school with you?
I don't care. It won't bother me.
No. I miss you.
I know. What else does Dr. tell you? Have you seen my cousin anywhere?
Oh.
Crystal? I haven't heard anything about her in the last few days.
I saw her in Hector this morning.
Where at?
There? Down the street to Chino and them, but where they went. That was not a good one.
Oh, you know?
Yeah. What are you doing, guy?
What else did Tanya say about Brianna staying there? She didn't say why.
No, she just said because they don't want to pay the rent and the $400 over there and the plus the bills when they have the house. And I go, I don't care if she comes here.
The thing is, though, is they're gonna need to help you pay
What? Well,
the
yeah.
utilities
Yeah.
to get them turned back on,
Well,
and then they're gonna have to continue to help you so you don't get screwed over again.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. I'm not putting nothing in my name.
Well, the
the-
PNM's in your name.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, other than that,
Before you just get the PNM turned back on, remember you have to get it paid off.
Mama, all I want to do right now is just be able to have a spot right now so I can put my things and not worry about anybody taking it. You
No,
know?
that's what I'm telling you. I don't know. I think it's a little odd.
But anyway, if I get the back room, I'm gonna start working on that back room today.
Which one?
The one that
Julie's
our
over?
room.
The one with the window, the
The,
bigger
the,
window.
the one at the very end. The one our room, babe.
Yeah, the one with the bigger window.
Yeah, the one that we.
Yeah, okay.
And what do you call it? And look at this one. And what do you call it? I'm gonna get that room from it so I can lock it. That way I can go get me a job. Because I don't want people to go on Christmas without anything.
Yeah.
I don't want you guys to have anything. You need to be without anything. So yeah. Hey, Gordo. Dude, I got so much video of you now.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna have to take
I see your
that
booty. I see your booty. Sicko. Look at her. What?
My grandpa.
What? You wanna get going?
No.
Let's see.
No,
I see your
he wanted me
booty.
to ask you to see if you could come tomorrow and cut the
Yeah,
grass.
I could do it.
It's
I'll be here early. I'll
Nick,
come and do it.
'cause Nick's
I see your
He's
booty.
doing football since he's like, I think this is last year of high school.
Yeah, I'll
So
come
he
do it.
hasn't been able to come in.
Come do it.
Do
Well,
it.
when he wasn't here, they were in,
Oh yeah,
in San
they did
Diego.
some church thing. They
And
went
San
for
Diego.
they went
Hey,
to some resort for one of the churches here.
yeah,
What churches do resorts?
I
That's
think
what it is, and some other ones.
the Catholic does it. I know that not River Life. What was it? Yeah, River Life does it.
That one Patty
The
goes
one
to.
that I don't know.
I don't know what it's called. Have you seen Juju?
No, not this is the last time I scolded him. He went over to the house.
Hey, don't drink
No, I
it.
drink that dirt.
And what about Marufo?
I haven't seen none of them. I told
looks
him.
like
I
an
told
old
him. I told him not to go by the house anymore. I told him, you know what? I go, you guys are the main cause of why a lot of stuff happened. I go, you guys talk when you guys don't even know the facts. I go, do me a favor. I go, don't come around, don't bug me. I go, I don't need nobody's, so-called sympathy. I go, just stay away from me.
My grandpa said it's been real quiet because the cops haven't gone over there lately.
No, all the attention is in ours. So last night I was at Grace. Okay, I went to go wash my clothes, and I went to. I see you, bro. You're doing nunchucks
What
anyway,
are you
and
doing?
cook. Hold up,
Who?
cook.
Oh,
And we're sitting inside at that, and I knock
Oh,
on the
you
door.
got dust in your eyes.
And Greg opened the door. Come here, brother. And I said, wait. And I went like that, and I said, oh shit. I said, Cook, what are you doing here? Oh, nothing, bro. He goes, I snuck over here, man. He goes, we're looking for Hector. We're looking for Hector, Strawberry, and Little Bobo. I go, why? What happened? Well, I guess they put a hit on Freddie Munoz. So Cook snuck into Greg's. Now I know how this fucker's doing it. He goes and he sneaks. He parks at the thing over there, and he sneaks into Greg's house and he talks to Greg. But he sat there and he was asking. He goes, "No, you guys."
Price saves Greg said so too.
Well, he said, "Well, check this out, baby." He was there, and then I was on the train at first, and I was like,
Oh my God! You know who I saw yesterday? Bernie.
Yeah, he's
He is so fat.
yeah.
Me and my mom, like, we double taked. And we, like, looked back. And I looked at my mom. I was like, Mom, is that Fernie? I was like, that's the Fernie that liked you, Mom. And my mom went like this. Like, this was my mom look.
Look at
It was
Mr.
so
Nosy.
funny.